Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Muhammad Abdul Samad speaking. Welcome back to my English tutorial grammar session. This video is for the student of class 9 and 10. If you want to be benefited from this video, be prepared with 3 things. Okay, pen, paper and textbook. Dear students, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. We eat so that we can live. What are we going to discuss today? Okay, student, you have to remember some facts. When you do completing sentence, when you answer these questions in the examination, you have to follow some rules. Okay, you have to write the answer on the answer script, then complete it. Completed part must be underlined. Only answer should not be written on the script. It is wrong. Some students do it. It must be contextualized. After completing all the sentences, it expresses complete sense of an event or topic. He is too weak to work. What is the structure of the sentence? Use of to plus adjective, to plus verb and extension. The man is too old to move. The man is too old to move. Okay, dear students, to plus adjective or adverb plus to plus verb plus extension. Okay, here is some words to do. Complete this exercise. He is too dishonest to speak the truth. Right. You are too short to touch the fan. Okay. Let's move on the next one. Okay, there is a fan over my head. I would like to touch the fan. Okay, I am trying. The fan is too high for me to touch. What is the structure? Okay, to plus adjective or adverb for personal object, to plus verb plus extension. What is personal object? Okay, I, personal object me, we, personal object us, he, personal object him, like this. Okay. Okay. The tea is too hot for me. What? To drink. Right. Now complete the following sentences. It is your task. Okay. The book is too hard for me to read. Okay. Okay. The path is too long for him to. It is your task. The load is too heavy for them to. Very simple. The load is too heavy for them to. Okay, it is your task. Okay. He was so busy that he could not speak. Rule 3. Okay. Use so dot that. So that. Okay. Eto je. In Bangla, it is eto je. Okay. Eto je. So that he is so weak that. What is the structure of this sentence? She was so ill that She couldn't study at all. What is the formation of the structure or formation? Given clause we show that plus relevant sentences. Okay. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Right. The student is so intelligent that question number 3, 2, 3, 4. It is your task. You will do it. Okay, it is your activity, dear students. Okay, he worked hard so that he could shine in life. What is the structure? Already. So that or in order that. So that or in order that. In order that. Okay. So that or in order that. The Bangla meaning is jate. Jate. Okay. He worked hard so that he could shine in life. In this way, what is the structure? Given clause with so that, oblique in order that, subject, verb, can, could, may, might, bar plus extension. Okay, be prepared so that you can do well in the examination. Okay, he reads attentively so that he can make a good result. If the given clause is past tense, we will use could or might. Okay? Thank you. I won't go providing that it rains. Providing that it rains. What is the structure? Use of provided, provided that, providing that. Okay, what is the meaning? Bangla meaning of this structure, of this word? Provided that, jodi. Yes. Okay. The plane will take off in time provided weather is good. Right. Normally present indefinite tense is used after provided, provided that, providing that. Present indefinite tense is used. Structure. Okay, there are some activity for you. Okay, I will go to London provided that I will go to London provided that I will get visa. Okay, the work carefully lest you should mistake. Work carefully lest you should mistake. What is the rules? Can you guess? Obviously, use of lest. Use of lest. What is the meaning of the word lest? Dear student, meaning lest. A voyage. In Bangla, the meaning is a voyage, boy hoye, a voyage or boy hoye, lest. He walks past lest. He should reach in time. Okay. What is the structure? Assertive sentence, lest, subject, should or might, verb 1 plus extension. Now complete the following sentences. He ran away fast, lest he should miss the train. He should miss the bus. Okay? The rest of the sentence for your homework. Unless you study hard, you will fail. Unless you study hard, you will fail. Unless you read, you will fail. What is the structure? Okay, this is the use of unless. Unless you work hard, you will fail. Dear students, now complete the following sentences. Unless you read attentively, you will fail in the examination. Unless you start at once, you will not reach school at time. Okay, the rest of the exercise for your homework. Wait here until I come back. Wait here until I come back. Okay, already you have guessed, we are going to talk about till or until. The structure of till or until, given clause with till or until, an affirmative sentence in present indefinite form. Sometimes negative sentence is used in case of till. In case of till, we can use negative sentence also. Generally, we can use affirmative sentence in present indefinite form. Wait until I come back. Wait until the rain stops. The activity for you, you will do it. Work hard as long as I return. Work hard as long as I return. The use of as long as. As long as. Structure given clause with as long as plus an affirmative sentence will be used. Wait here as long as I come back. Right, you're right. Okay, here are some activity for you. Okay, it is your task. Okay, in spite of studying hard, he failed. In spite of, despite. Okay, in spite of his poverty, he is honest. Okay, in spite of or despite plus possessive plus noun plus relative opposite meaning sentences. Here is a word possessive. What is the possessive form? I. This is the subjective form, me, objective form, and my is a possessive form. Our, we, us, our is a possessive form. He, him, his is a possessive form. Okay, in spite of. Okay, here is a sentence. Despite his good qualification, he did not get a good job. He is a positive form of personal pronoun. Despite his innocence, what would be there to complete it? He was punished. He was punished despite his innocence. Okay, in spite of trying hard, it is your turn. Okay, student? It is your turn. Though the boy is meritorious, he failed. Though the boy is meritorious, he failed. Okay, use of though and although. Use of though and although. Though and although means সত্ত্বেও. In Bangla, সত্ত্বেও. Okay. Though the boy is meritorious, he failed. He failed. Though he is rich, okay, though he is rich, he is unhappy. He is unhappy. He is dishonest. Though he is poor, though he is poor, he is, complete the sentence, he is happy, he is honest. Okay. Given clause with though or although, then relevant sentence. Instead of writing, he chose reading. Instead of writing, okay, he chose reading in state of. In state of writing, he chose reading. This is the meaning of this very clause, very word. পরিবর্তে state of or in lieu of, same meaning. Okay, look at the sentence. In state of history, he took logic. He bought a pen instead of or in lieu of a pencil. He ate fish. It is your turn, you will do it. Okay. Dear students, we have already completed our completing sentence part 1. Okay. See you again with another session with completing sentence part 2 and 3. No more today. If you want to get more videos, please visit our school website and Facebook page. Okay, thank you so much. May Allah save you. Allah Hafiz.